In my drawing, I have set of points. All these points are related to some names of trees. You can say jack tree, mango tree, guava tree, oak tree, tamarind tree, like this. So let us say we only need to see the one part of the name here. Instead of jack tree, let us say we need to only see tree on all these points. So how to do that? So you can either edit one point, or you can edit all of these points. In my drawing, I have put all these drawings into a point group called point group 1. So if I need to remove the name of the tree from this point description, this is how I do it. I right click here, point group, go to edit points. I would select all these points at once. So after the full description, you have a column called description format. Usually it is hide like this. You have to expand it. So the description format would be appear. So there you have to right click and go to edit. So then you have to type $, then 1. 1 means it will show the second part of the description. If you put 0 here, it will only show the first part of the description. If you put 1, it will only show the second part of the description. So I did edit here because I will edit all these at once. So I'll click OK here, press enter here. So everything becomes $1. Then you can see all these points now become tree only. If you need to see only the names of the trees, you can, in the same manner, instead of $1, $0. So now you can see all the names of the trees. So that is how to control the description format of a point in Civil 3D.